Hi, I'm Mitch Marozas from Team Futaba USA. Here I have the brand new HPS-HC700 servos from Futaba. Let's take a look what's inside. Alright, when you get your new HPS-HC700, this is what it's going to look like. This is a brand new servo, brand new design of a brushless motor. First off, you'll notice this high quality plastic case to protect your servo when shipping. A lot of us like to use it for spare parts, bring them to the field, screws and whatnot. So let's open it up. You can see it's held down with a little rubber band thing. We'll take this out. Then you'll notice it's an all-metal case design. It's also all-metal gear. This servo is now capable of the revolutionary 760 pulse width with the recent update of the CGY 760R. Once you open it up some more, you'll notice you get your servo arms, your little rubber grommets and screws to mount it. Your warranty card, which if anything ever happens to it or you need service, new gears or whatnot, you can send it here to Futaba USA at Huntsville. And your instruction manual. And then also included is this little sticker sheet. I know I like to use it to label my main rotor blades with the blade grips or the difference from my pitch servo and my aileron servo, since it can be hard to see inside the frames there. It's kind of handy thing that they include, helps out a lot. So that is the new HPS-HC700 servo from Futaba. Hope to see you at an event in the near future.